guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how you can improve your Instagram strategy in an organic way. If you didn't see my video what you should not and never do on Instagram, I will post it before and the link in the description. And now let's go. So in the last video I was talking what you should not do. But it's good to know what you should not do, but you should know also what you should do. It's going to be a set of videos. In each video I will dedicate to a certain topic, and this video will be about Instagram stories. Right now content is consuming by users so fast, so it's really important to utilize Instagram stories if you want to grow your audience on Instagram. This is an essential thing. What can you do? You can shoot a really short stories of what you eat, what you wear, whom you met, where did you go, and so on. But you have to remember that the lighting should be very good. You have to know that you should interact somehow with your users. So please use several things that I'm gonna show you on my phone screen. Okay, let's go to my Instagram stories. And we can do so many things. We can do so many things to interact. Let's pick this picture, for example. So you can really use a lot of things that Instagram propose you in the sticker, not a sticker, in the function you can use. For example, poll, where you're gonna ask some questions, where users can choose yes or no or any other options that you write. This will help users, this will make users stay on your story longer, so Instagram will think that your story is interesting and will show it to more people. A new function introduced by Instagram recently before New Year, 2019 countdown, so just write something that is super cool. For example, you're expecting to go for a very exciting trip, so you can also use this one. Let me delete this one. The other function that we can use here is, for example, questions, so you can ask different questions to your users and they can reply it. Or you can ask them to ask your questions so you can reply their questions too. It's a very cool feature, I really love to use it. Let me delete it. So all your strategy should be built behind that your user should stay longer on your story. And I really recommend you to shoot your face. So we do it like this. People always like to see your face. So just like you talk to a normal person, that would be the same, more or less. What else we can use? Yeah, use some different stickers. Also the slider, which is super cool. You can change the smiles, ask some questions, so with the smiley they will slide. So this is different questionnaires that you can use too. So you can upload on your Instagram story either a video or a picture, but video works much better. Actually, video is conquering the whole internet and it's consumed better by users. So try to mix it or do 80% of videos and just 20% of the pictures. That always works perfect. And once you set a video, I show you one trick that you can do. So let me show you how it works. So when you go to the functions that Instagram story offers you, and we choose a hashtag. And what I found works perfectly when you use a hashtag of the city where you're located or where your target actually located, because in this way you will get to the stories of the city, so more people can discover you. Honestly, when I don't use any hashtag, my story is only seen by my followers, but when I put a hashtag, I am located in Switzerland, in Zurich. When I put a hashtag of Zurich or Switzerland, I don't know, the audience that watch my story grows like 3 times more than my actual audience. So it's very useful because many people can discover your profile, click on your profile, and when it's a video with your face on it, people feel it more personalized and they're more tempted to go and check your page. I have tested this, and with video plus you on this video works the best. So you just write a hashtag, I'm gonna write Zurich, and then what you do, you try to make it smaller and slide it behind the screen, because I don't like when there are too many things on my stories. So like this, people will not see this hashtag on your video, but it will still appear on the stories under this hashtag. You can also use location, which is also important. So basically it's tag you, and it works the same. You just slide it behind the screen and it's not visible, but it will be still visible on the hashtag for this city. However, hashtags and not locations works better than locations. I don't know how people forgot about possibility to use a hashtag, and now Instagram promoting this very, very good. So use it while it's not discovered yet by Instagram that everyone is using it. Otherwise they will do again some new updates in their algorithm system. So this is one tip. You can also use, of course, different masks. I hope I don't have to explain you how it works. And you can have a music too. In some countries I know music doesn't work. This is all the tricks that I know about Instagram stories. Of course, you should also tag someone on your Instagram stories, or you can also repost. I will show you quickly how you can repost. So let's go back. So for example, I want to go to my own account, and then we press this little I don't know how it calls, like an arrow behind the heart and the comment section. So you press it and then add to post to your story. You can actually do this with any story. Maybe it's interesting news, or something else is interesting that you want to share on your story. So use this, but don't forget, I really recommend you to use 80% of videos and just 20% of the pictures in your stories, because video works much better. This is basically it for the tricks, and now I want to show you how you can enhance your stories using different apps. I will show you my favorite. I don't have that many, however there's really a lot of apps that you can use to enhance your Instagram stories, but this is my favorite. Let's start. First is my favorite one is a StoryArt. Let me find it. StoryArt. I have purchased this app, but I'm not sure. I think you can download it for free, but some packs you need to buy some templates. They're super cool, so you see some of them are blocked and some of them are for free. For example, I found this super cool one, animated story, because it's already animated and so it's a video, so you can actually work like a normal video on your Instagram post. It's very easy. You just go to edit, and then you add a picture or a video on your story, art, and then you write some text. This is my favorite one. Really love it. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Yeah. And then you just see it. You can see how it works. Very easy, but very useful. Let's go to another app. This is a Canva. I love Canva for many reasons, but to make super cool Instagram stories is one of them. So you can see here when you register that Canva for the phones, they propose already pre-made templates, and they're super cool. You can just click on it and then edit your own pictures. Yeah, you just go down and then go to images, and then choose another one, allow access, and then you can choose yours, your images. Yeah, that works super easy, and then you just edit the text and you download it. That's another thing, and you can also create, of course, your own template. Let me close it. What else I found very useful is if I want just to use, the plain text but with a nice background, I use a design kit. This is an extra app, comes from a color story. This app is, I believe so, for free. If not, it doesn't cost a lot. And then you can find here different backgrounds that is already made for the size of a story. You can have really beautiful backgrounds here. and a lot of them. Some textures, marble texture, my favorite one. And of course also InShot, where you can adjust your video to the size of Instagram story. So you go to video, let's get a new project, which is also very useful for IGTV. So let's choose one of my videos. And then here you can delete for this time, sorry that it's in Russian, and then you can choose the size, so 9 by 16. That's the size of an Instagram story. Here you can also use some filters, you can add music, you can add stickers, you can add text, and the text is super cool because you can choose an animation. Let me write something, hello. And then you can choose an animation here. For example, I want it like this. And you will have the animation on a certain part of your video. And then you click save and you upload it to your Instagram story. That's all apps that I use. There is another one which is called Unfold. It's a super cool one, but compared to sorry, you see, I don't really use it, so it has to reinstall because went to iCloud. Compared to StoryArt, I like more StoryArt rather than Unfold. But it's also a pretty cool app, and you have so many different things there, different templates. Let's say I want to use, okay. You just choose different designs here. I want to use this, and then you just add your picture and your text too. And you can also download different templates too. I haven't seen this one, it's pretty cool. So I hope you understood how it works. It's not so hard, you just have to play around and find your own app. And yeah, remember that using a video for your Instagram stories works the best, and you on this video works double the best. And use location, hashtag. Don't use them both, because when they're both they don't really work, so use them separately in one story. Use hashtag on another location, but hashtags works better. Try to use as many interactive stuff on your story as possible to make users stay on your story. Ask questions, make polls, put slider so that your followers can express their opinion too. The next video will be about main Instagram feed, how you can enhance it and how you can grow your Instagram in an organic way. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. If yes, follow my account, because there will be so many interesting videos based on my personal experience about Instagram and social media too. Bye!